So hiding the apps on your iPhone is pretty easy. You basically just tap and hold on any app and you can just basically click on require Face ID, and after that you can basically hide the apps from there. But my question is how to find these hidden apps. So it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just swipe all the way to the left where you are going to find your app library, and from there you need to scroll down and you are going to see a box called hidden. You have to click on that. After that it's going to ask for your Face ID and it's going to show you all the hidden apps. So now if you want to move the apps back to the home screen, it's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is just click and hold a specific app inside the hidden folder, and after that it's going to give you an option to remove the Face ID or to move the app back to the home screen. For some older iOS devices, like moving directly from the hidden folder back to the home screen isn't going to be available. So if that's the case, all you have to do is just click on don't require Face ID and it's going to remove the app from the hidden folder. And similarly, after that you can just go into app search and from there you can basically get the app back to the home screen. So anyways, with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing or become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching and goodbye.